fridge. The spooky fridge that looks disgusting.
What do you have in this refrigerator? You have a zombie foot.
I never put that in there.
Some creepy eyeballs.
Or
This look
that.
like some, what is that?
I never put any of the stuff in here.
Disgusting, disgusting. But as you guys can see, we're going to be doing a Halloween taste test today. We have these oh so nasty sodas that we're going to be taste testing.
Ooh.
You can just see the slime falling off of these things. I mean, just absolutely disgusting. And we're looking forward to it. We heard that these drinks were kind of nasty, huh, by looking at the reviews. What do you think? You ready for this?
I think they're gonna taste good.
Think they're going to taste good? They look good.
Yeah.
But let's go ahead and tell them what flavors we have. We have zombie brain juice right here, so we're going to try that one.
We have the monster mucus.
We have toxic slime. Ugh.
And we have Martian poop.
Oh
that
my
sounds
goodness.
disgusting.
What the heck is Martian poop? Yep, mommy's.
It's like a pooping.
So I want to try them too, but what flavors are they? We know the names, so what flavors are
So I
they?
guess this zombie brain juice is strawberry orange, blue raspberry orange.
Oh yeah.
Oh, blue raspberry orange.
Oh, this one is strawberry blueberry, Marionberry. So you ready for this taste test?
Yeah.
Come on, let's do it. Time for the spooky taste to begin.
So I see you guys got a little fancy.
No,
Yeah, we had to get fancy on them, so we have some wine glasses. And yeah, we're ready to do this taste test.
I'm
So,
gonna do this one first.
so what flavor is that again?
It is monster.
Monster mucus.
Yeah, so we'll let you go ahead and start it off.
Yes. And just kind of tell us the taste, the flavor, how it tastes, you know.
How does it smell? How does
How does it
it?
smell?
Ooh, it smells like dishwasher detergent.
Oh, it does. It has
Does it really?
It has a real strong smell.
Are you serious?
It has
Monster
a really
mucus.
strong smell to it.
Okay, go ahead. Let me get in, zoom in on you.
Don't plug your nose. You gotta get that flavor. Get that flavor.
It tastes good?
Good.
Really? Let me try.
Tastes like grapes.
Ooh.
Doesn't sound too good.
It does taste like grapes, but it's just really strong grapes. Like,
It tastes like kind of like a strong fruit punch
Oh,
kind
really?
of grape.
yeah.
I'm gonna go ahead and try out
Toxic.
the toxic slime. Check that out.
Oh, I like the sound of that. Daddy said, I'm gonna go for it.
for it.
He
Go
doesn't
for
want
it.
to sample.
Ew.
How's it taste?
You know what? It's not too bad.
And what flavors was that? Strawberry orange?
Really does it. This is blue raspberry orange. You can really taste
Oh,
the
blue
blue
raspberry.
raspberry. It tastes
This
pretty.
one I think is.
And what was yours? Yours was strawberry orange.
The aftertaste isn't that great, but
What was Araya's?
hers was strawberry blue raspberry.
Oh,
Oh,
straw.
yeah.
Yeah, the hers, I could really taste the blue raspberry.
Now we are gonna taste.
Let me try.
I feel a little weird.
Die, mom. Die, mom. Die, mom. Die, mom.
I don't know what's wrong with these people.
These aren't old or anything, right? They're not expired. The aftertaste is just kind of weird.
Yeah, it kind of tastes a little weird from the aftertaste. I was about to say that.
I feel a little like jittery or dizzy or something. I don't know exactly what it is, but it should be all right.
no.
Want to go? Let's go ahead and finish these off.
Go ahead and drink them. Gobble up. Drink up. What's a gobble up? Look at Araya.
It is pretty strong, right?
It's like very, very,
very strong.
potent.
Go ahead and can you finish? We'll pour this one out.
Daddy, drink it.
I'll drink it.
He usually likes to drink up everything. When we go to a restaurant, he drinks a ton of soda.
I told you it tastes like sour grapes.
Aw. You guys are some big babies.
Hey, I told this class.
Oh, what's happening? Oh, what's happening? Oh, that was weird. It felt like I passed out for a minute or something. What is up with this drink? Oh, what was that? I drank the rest of your monster mucus and it felt, was I passed out?
I don't know what you guys are talking about.
It just felt like the lights were flashing. I don't know what's going on. These drinks
Are you guys okay?
These drinks are, there's something up with these drinks. These drinks are weird.
Nah, I've been watching you guys the whole time.
We still have 2 taste tests to go.
You barely had any.
Zombie brain juice and Martian poop. I definitely don't want to turn into a zombie.
I'm not gonna turn into no
I
zombie.
had the weirdest dream. It feels like I was out of it for just like a few
Beg,
seconds.
quit playing,
this
for real.
Weird. This stuff is weird.
I took a sip with you guys.
Into a poop is gross.
I would hope not. Let's just move on. Let's just move on with the rest of the
You
taste
guys are
tests.
so scary. You're not gonna turn into Martian poop. You're not gonna be a zombie. Oh my goodness. Me and Ina should have did this.
Yeah, we should have let them do it. This is crazy.
All right,
But-
well, let's go ahead and taste it. Let's taste it for the people. Let's see.
So let's go to the
Let's
next
do this
one.
for our
So-
sunshinies.
Sounds like it
It's a little
tastes
foamy.
good.
Okay.
Smells like
Smell-
smells like the monster meat.
That one smells pretty good. It smells like
It smells
berries.
good.
It smells pretty good.
Okay, what do you think? It doesn't taste good at all?
It tastes weird.
Like-
Taste it.
Okay. It's not too bad.
Yeah, that one's actually pretty
I think
nasty.
something's wrong with their taste buds.
Well, let me go ahead and try this zombie brain juice. Let's go ahead and give this a taste. Kind of tastes like old fruit punch.
Let me try it.
Whatever that tastes like.
Strawberry orange.
What do you think?
Everything is just really strong.
Yeah, these are some strong Oh,
Very, very flavorful.
Suddenly, I smell poop. What's that smell coming on? Oh man, where are we? Am I passed out again? Are you passed out?
Ew.
Why is there poop on the table? Oh man, it smells. It smelled. I knew we shouldn't have got these drinks. This is disgusting. It stinks. Oh man, we gotta get out of here. What? Stink. Wow, this stuff is just insane. Oh, what is that smell? Oh, ugh, Martian poop. Gross. I knew we shouldn't have bought these drinks. This stuff stinks.
Daddy, look at you. You're a zombie.
A zombie? What? Just let me see myself. Hold on.
Hi guys, it's Raya. Make sure you subscribe and give this video a big fat thumbs up. Bye.